Marcy, Ryan, some say it may be tedious, more paperwork and verifying things like income and assets. But we spoke to a local lender over at Cornerstone Mortgage Company who says while it may be time consuming, it's to protect those looking to buy their dream home. Owning a home is all part of the American dream, but as of late, many could not afford to keep that dream alive. Licensed home lender Oscar Chow tells us risky loans have contributed to the burden of foreclosure.
Teaser loans, lower loans at the beginning, and after a certain number of years, 3 or 5 years, the rates would increase.
As of last Friday, that has changed. No more risky loans. New federal regulations on mortgages require those applying for a loan meet certain qualifications and to ensure that the loan can eventually be repaid in less than 30 years.
Everything needs to be sourced and documented. That applies to employment, income, assets, the funds required to fund.
Chow says it may be more work, but it's all to protect the homeowner.
We have to ensure as a lender that we do everything in our power, we do our due diligence, our homework to ensure that the home buyer will not be in a bind.
The goal is to ensure that homeowners do not overextend themselves or pull out of loans they cannot afford to pay off. They must now verify that they can qualify for such a mortgage.
All your payments, loans, credit cards, plus the house payment, including principal, interest, taxes, insurance, homeowners associations, cannot exceed 43% of your overall income.
Chow says that's not meant to deter new home buyers, but rather to encourage responsible lending, because buying a home really should be an enjoyable experience.
This is going to be their home. This is going to be their legacy. So we want to ensure that they just don't become homeowners, but they stay homeowners.
Chow says that many current loans do not adhere to this 43% threshold rule, so there is a 7-year transitional period for this particular regulation. He says that any loan that does not meet this requirement by January 10th, 2021, they will not be considered a qualified loan. In Hidalgo County, I'm Ashley Custer, Action 4 News.